Okay, in this one we have the angelic voice of Dimash and the beautiful, beautiful cello played by HAUSER. In case you've missed them, I don't know how you could, but Dimash and HAUSER have done a lot of things together recently, and they've both been judges on various events as well. And they seem to have a good relationship. I find it amusing because Dimash, very humble, and HAUSER, to put it mildly, has a big ego. So it's interesting to see the kind of interplay with the two of them. But anyway, I'm going to listen to them doing Stranger. And just had a little blip on my computer. We'll get it pulled back, and there we go. I love the set.
You crown far as I can see. You crown underneath my feet. Stranger in a stranger's land. You chance to know who I am if I have the strength to begin again. Somewhere in my heart, in ancient times, I wondered. Though these colors I have found them on the seas. Faces from the past, somehow deeper than memories. I've said lost, I've lost, I feel them in this sea. You gone far as I can see. You gone underneath my feet. Stranger in a stranger's land. You chance to know who I am if I have the strength to begin again. kiss my feet. Stranger in a stranger's land. No chance to know why you have this strength to begin. You
Wow. This song always gives me that wow at the end when he holds that last note. This one is not as dramatic as his debut of it when he did that, fall to his knees, and there wasn't even a slight uh, tremble. The notes remained just perfect on that, but it still was just as beautiful this time around. And Hauser, very good. But with this particular song, he definitely took second place to Dimash, at least in my opinion. And that's it for this one. So, to everybody, have a great day. And as always, peace.